Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Mula po sa UP Diliman Human Resource Development Office, ako po si Cyril Gabriel Magdamit. Samahan niyo po ako at ang HRDO ngayong araw upang tunghayan ang isang special event, ang paglulunsad ng bagong inisyatiba ng UP Diliman Human Resource Development Office. Tayo po ay live ngayon via Facebook livestream sa ating UP Diliman HRDO Facebook page at mapapanood din po ito sa ating HRDO YouTube channel. Alam ko pong excited na din ang lahat na malaman ang grand revelation na hatid ng HRDO ngayong araw. At syempre, kung ano ba talaga ang naghihintay para sa ating mga kawani dito sa ating universidad. Hindi na po natin patatagalin pa ito dahil mapalad po tayo at kasama nating magbabahagi ng mga detalye patungkol dito, walang iba kundi ang Chancellor ng University of the Philippines din naman, Chancellor Edgardo Carlo L. Vistan II.
Distinguished colleagues and esteemed members of the UP Diliman community, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. It is with immense pride, anticipation, and a deep sense of institutional commitment that we gather virtually to witness the launch of the Diliman Learning and Development Hub, a transformative initiative that marks a significant milestone in our institution's dedication to professional growth and excellence. In today's evolving higher education and public service landscapes, continuous learning and professional development have become not just beneficial, but essential components of institutional and individual success. The complex challenges we face in our respective roles demand that we continually enhance our expertise, refine our skills, and embrace innovative approaches to problem solving and service delivery. The transformation of our knowledge platform through the Diliman Learning and Development Hub exemplifies our proactive response to these evolving demands, positioning our workforce to meet current challenges while preparing for future opportunities. This hub represents far more than just a digital platform. It embodies our comprehensive vision of a unified, accessible, and sophisticated learning ecosystem tailored specifically for the diverse needs of our UP Diliman workforce. It stands as a testament to our fundamental belief that our greatest asset is our people, and investing strategically in their growth is essentially investing in the continued relevance, excellence, and future trajectory of our university. One of the most significant aspects of this initiative is its potential to cultivate a more cohesive learning community across our diverse campus, particularly to our employees. By establishing a centralized space for knowledge sharing that transcends boundaries, the hub will promote cross-functional collaboration and the exchange of best practices. This horizontal integration of knowledge is particularly important in addressing the complex, interdisciplinary challenges that shape higher education. As we officially unveil this hub today, I invite everyone to approach it with enthusiasm, curiosity, and openness. Explore its features, participate in its programs, and contribute constructively to its continuous enhancement. Thank you for joining us today on this significant occasion, and I look forward with great anticipation to witnessing how the Diliman Learning and Development Hub will transform our approach to professional growth and institutional excellence in the years to come. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of higher education together, this platform will serve as both our compass and our map, guiding us toward a future defined by continuous learning, innovation, and excellence.
Maraming salamat po, Chancellor Vistan. Ating pong natunghayan ang overview ng mahalagang event natin ngayong hapon na nabanggit din ni Chancellor Vistan ang launching ng bagong platform na binuo ng UP Diliman HRDO para sa ating mga kapwa kawani dito sa universidad. Maliban po kay Chancellor Vistan, atin din pong makakasama ngayong araw na ito ang direktor ng HRDO. Sa puntong ito ng ating programa, kanya pong ibabahagi ang ilan pang mga detalye patungkol sa development ng ating Diliman Learning and Development Hub. Isang karangalan ko pong ipinakikilala sa inyong lahat si UP Diliman HRDO Director, Director Arthur A. Gonzalez III.
Good afternoon. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you the Diliman Learning and Development Hub. It is our initiative to transform how UP Diliman HRDO approaches professional development and training. A few months prior to the development of this platform, I, together with our learning and development team, asked ourselves a crucial question. How can we create a learning ecosystem that truly serves our workforce while embracing modern technology? The answer stands before you today. Comprehensive, user-centric platform designed to revolutionize professional growth at UP Diliman. We created a one-stop destination for all your learning and development needs. We now have an integrated into a single intuitive interface, a program registration to resource access system. This hub will feature a dynamic newsfeed with real-time updates on training programs, a comprehensive semestral training calendar, a sophisticated mini learning management system with self-paced modules from our open up courses, a complete photo repository of learning events, streamlined administrative processes with downloadable L&D forms, easy and direct program registration with automated workflows. What makes this platform special is its ability to adapt to your needs. The system supports multiple learning styles through videos, interactive presentations, discussion forums, and virtual collaboration spaces. It's designed to make professional development an ongoing journey rather than complex training events. Most importantly, this L&D hub represents our commitment to your growth. It's not just a platform, it's an investment in our collective futures. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, this tool positions UP Diliman to meet current challenges while preparing for future opportunities. I invite you all to explore the hub, engage with its features, and make it an integral part of your professional journey. This is your platform, designed with your needs in mind and ready to evolve based on your feedback. Our learning and development team, through the UP Diliman HRDO training section, stands ready to support you through this transition to our new L&D hub. We understand that there may be an adjustment period, and we are here to provide guidance and support and address any questions you might have. Thank you once again to everyone who is with us today. I look forward to seeing how the Diliman Learning and Development Hub will transform our approach to professional growth in the years ahead. Be reminded that continuous learning isn't just an individual improvement. It's about strengthening our UP Diliman community. Let's embrace this together. I would also like to thank Ma'am Leia Manlolo's team for the development of this platform. They've done a very good job. They've always done a very good job with respect to our learning and development needs. Thank you once again, and good afternoon.
Maraming salamat po, Director Gonzalez mula sa UP Diliman HRDO. At nandito na po tayo sa exciting part. Mayroon na lamang po tayong 45 segundo mula sa formal na pagbubukas ng ating bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub servers. Siguraduhin lamang po nating handa rin po tayong mag-type ng link at bumisita sa ating hub Para po sa link na ito, makikita niyo po ito sa ibabang bahagi ng ating screen. Bisitahin lamang ang training.hrdo.upd.edu.ph. Sa puntong ito, mayroon na lamang po tayong 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At opisyal na pong live ang ating bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub. Malugod po namin kayong inaanyayahan na explore at i-navigate ang bago nating platform para sa pagkatuto at paglago. Para pabigyan tayo ng in-depth guide at run-through sa ating bagong platform, narito po si Mr. Beaver Lagura, ang Head Coordinator for Development ng Diliman Learning and Development Hub.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Sai. Pagbati po sa ating lahat. Well, today marks a significant milestone po for our university community as we proudly launch the new Diliman Learning and Development Hub. Ang bagong hub po na ito ay hindi lamang isang digital space, kundi isang manifestation ng ating commitment sa continuous growth and development ng ating mga kawani ng universidad. Ito po ang ating one-stop hub para sa lahat po ng learning and development needs ng UP Diliman community. Well, dito po, makikita ninyo ang lahat ng resources, ng programs, at ng mga opportunities na kailangan ninyo para sa inyong professional growth. Ang ating bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub po ay nagtataglay ng iba't ibang features na magpapadaloy at magpapaginhawa ng ating learning journey. Una po, we made sure it's user-friendly interface. Isinaayos na po natin ang interface upang maging accessible sa lahat. Malalaki na po ang ating mga buttons at text para mas madaling makita at manavigate kahit ng ating mga kasamahan na mayroong limitasyon sa paningin. Sumunod po, sa pamamagitan po ng ating continuously updating bulletin, hindi na po kailangang maghintay ng email blast po ng HRDO para malaman ang mga bagong training programs. Dahil po makikita na po natin agad sa platform na ito ang mga bawat learning and development updates mula po sa HRDO. Ngayon po, mayroon na tayong komprehensibong training calendar kung saan po pwede ninyong i-track ang mga upcoming events at programs anumang oras, saan man kayo naroroon. Hindi na po kinakailangan balik-balikan yung mga memo, gayon din po ay kung ano man ang mga maaaring pagbabago sa ating schedules po ng training programs, maaari nyo na po agad ma-access o makita sa ating bagong hub. Sa punto pong ito, ibinabalik na rin po natin ang learning capsules na nagtataglay ng iba't ibang digital learning modules para sa quick at focused skills development. Ang mga capsules po na ito ay dinisenyo para sa efficient at effective learning ng essential knowledge o digital knowledge sa bite-sized formats. Pinag-isa na rin po natin ang lahat ng online programs sa isang platform. Sa ating bagong learning hub, makikita na ang lahat ng available programs, mapa-physical man o online programs. Yun din po ang ating Open Up o online programs for employee learning and nurturing for UP Diliman ay nasa iisang lugar na. Kaya hindi na po kayo mahihirapang hanapin ang mga modules at resources po para sa ating online program. Hindi na rin po natin kinakailangan maghanap pa ng iba't ibang L&D resources mula sa iba't ibang platforms. Dahil ngayon po, ang lahat ng L&D resources mula sa forms, handouts, guides at references matatagpuan na po sa ating hub, downloadable and accessible po anytime. Ngayon din po, pinasimple natin ang proseso ng pag-apply sa mga programs. Makikita nyo na po ang application or registration buttons sa ating program pages ng L&D Hub. Ipinapakilala rin po namin ang marketing subscription option po kung saan pwede kayong mag-opt-in para makatanggap ng mga updates sa upcoming programs po na meron tayo. Isinama na rin po natin ngayon ang link up na nagbibigay daan sa inyo para makita ang mga available external training programs na pwede niyo pong salihan. Ito po ay inyong space, no? Kaya pwede po kayong mag-upload ng inyong mga snapshots mula sa mga training programs na sinalihan ninyo sa ating bagong participants POV at magbahagi ng inyong L&D stories. No, ito rin po ang inyong pagkakataon na ma-feature sa HRDO social media pages. Hindi po mabubuo ang ating inisyatibong ito kung hindi dahil sa suportang inyo pong ibinibigay sa ating HRDO Learning and Development. Sa ngalan po ng development team ng Diliman Learning and Development Hub, taus-puso po kami nagpapasalamat kay Chancellor Bistan at sa atin din pong Vice Chancellor for Administration, Vice Chancellor Basia, at sa atin din pong HRDO UP Diliman Director na si Sir Arthur Gonzales. Maraming salamat din po kina Ma'am Liza Lectura at Sir Yong Estrada na nagsilbing punong gabay po sa development hub o sa pag-develop ng hub na ito. Ngayon din po sa development team, especially po kay Ma'am Lea Manlolo and Sir Joseph Sulia, sa inyo pong technical expertise at dedication, no, na naging instrumento sa pagbuo ng bagong platform po na ito. At this point po, nais din namin kilalanin ang kontribusyon ng mga past developers po na sina Sir Rene Dalida at si Sir John Eslera sapagkat ang ating Diliman Learning and Development Hub po na ito ay produkto ng collective learning at syempre ng development over the years, no? At ang kanilang pundasyon po ay naging mahalagang bahagi ng ating journey. Ngayon po sa pagtatapos po, no? At syempre sa ating paglulunsad naman ng bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub, hindi lamang po natin binubuksan ang isang digital platform, kundi binubuksan din po natin ang mga bago o ang bagong kabanata ng professional growth para sa ating komunidad. At bilang one-stop hub para sa lahat ng learning and development needs ng UP Diliman, ang platform po na ito ay nagsisilbing centralized destination para sa lahat ng resources, ng programs, gayon din po ng opportunities na makakatulong sa inyong professional journey. Ang hub na ito po ay para sa inyo, bunga ng inyong mga suwestyon at pangangailangan. Gamitin po natin ito bilang instrumento ng ating patuloy na pag-unlad. Maraming salamat po muli sa inyong suporta at pagtitiwala. Mabuhay po ang UP Diliman, mabuhay po ang HRDO Learning and Development.
Maraming salamat po muli kay Sir Beaver, ang ating pong Head Coordinator for Development ng ating bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub. Paniguradong ang lahat po ay may katanungan at paglilinaw na nais iparating. Kaya naman po para sa ating live question and answer forum, mangyaring bisitahin lamang po ang link sa ibabang bahagi ng inyong screen. Alternatively, maaari din pong iscan ang QR code na nasa ibabang bahagi rin po ng inyong devices. Sa link pong iyan, maaari kayong makapaglagay ng inyong iba't ibang katanungan gaya halimbawa ng paggamit ng ating bagong hub at paghingi ng mga abiso at guides. Maliban po sa mga ito, sakali mang makaranas po kayo ng technical difficulty sa pag-access at paggamit nito, maaari nyo rin pong i-raise ang mga concerns na ito sa ibinigay po naming link. Ang mga katanungan at iba pang concerns na aming pong matatanggap ay isa-isa naman pong sasagutin ng ating Diliman L&D Hub Development Team. Upang formal naman pong ukasan ng ating programa ngayong araw, ating pong makakasama sa UP Diliman Vice Chancellor for Administration, Vice Chancellor Adeline A. Pasilla.
Dear members of the UP Diliman community, as we conclude this landmark event, I stand before you, filled with optimism about the future of professional development at our institution. Today's launch of the Diliman Learning and Development Hub represents more than just a new digital platform. It marks the beginning of a transformative journey in how we grow and learn together. What we've witnessed today is the result of countless hours of dedication innovative thinking, and collaborative effort. But what truly distinguishes this hub isn't just its technical capabilities, it's the educational philosophy at its core. We've created a platform that makes professional development accessible to everyone, regardless of their role or employment status. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily work life rather than just being another task on your calendar. The hub reflects our understanding that modern professional development must be flexible and adaptable. By offering both real-time and self-paced learning opportunities, we acknowledge the complexities of your professional responsibilities while ensuring that you have clear pathways for growth. This isn't just about formal training. It's about creating moments for learning throughout your workday. Most importantly, this platform represents our vision of UP Diliman as a genuine learning institution, one where knowledge flows freely across units, where continuous development is part of our DNA, and where innovation springs from the exchange of diverse perspectives. By connecting colleagues with complementary expertise, we're creating new opportunities for collaborative problem solving. Let me emphasize that the hub you see today is just the beginning. This is a living platform designed to evolve with your needs and respond to your feedback. In the coming weeks, our learning and development team will provide orientation modules and personalized guidance. I encourage you to participate actively during this crucial launch phase. Your input will help shape the platform's development. As you begin exploring the hub, think of it not just as a tool, but as a space for discovery and connection. Experiment with its features, share your experiences with colleagues, and imagine new possibilities for your professional growth. Through your engagement, this platform will become a vibrant community of learners committed to excellence. Thank you for your dedication to professional excellence and for the countless ways you contribute to UP Diliman's learning community. Together, let's embrace this new chapter in our institutional journey. The Diliman Learning and Development Hub is now yours to explore and help evolve. May it serve as a valuable companion throughout your professional journey. With gratitude and optimism, I officially conclude this launch event. And here's to our continued learning and growth together. Padayon at salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Vice Chancellor Pasilla. At dito po nagtatapos ang formal na pagbubukas ng ating bagong Diliman Learning and Development Hub. Sa ngalan po ng UP Diliman Human Resource Development Office, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagsama sa amin sa official launch ng ating bagong platform for learning and development. Maaari niyo po muling panoorin ang video na ito sa ating HRDO YouTube channel, maging sa ating bagong Learning and Development Hub. Muli, ako po si Sile Gabriel Magdami mula sa UP Diliman HRDO Training Section. Tara't sama-sama po nating tuklasin ang ating Diliman Learning and Development Hub.